Yeah, and we're going to come back to some chemistry revision. So C1 chemistry. So what do we know about chemistry? We know there's an atom involved. So let's draw an atom, which is proton, and neutron, which is in the middle. And around it is your electron. So electron would have a negative charge, proton would have a positive charge, and a neutron will have a zero charge. Now, the relative mass for electron would be 1.1840. Okay, so you could write 1 is always under 1. So proton is 1 and neutron is 1. Now they will ask you to draw a table, so you could easily draw a table. Now they might ask you to draw an electron, an atom. So you would draw it like this and this. Okay, so in the middle will be a proton, a neutron, and electron is right. Now, also they might ask you what is an element. So an element is one atom. Example of that is hydrogen. Okay, or anything on the periodic table is an atom. So a compound is two or more atoms joined together, bonded together. Okay. Okay, so example of that is carbon dioxide, water, not hydrogen, hydrogen would be 1, water would be 1, carbon monoxide, so only of that. Now, that's basically what you need to learn about your atom. Now, next bit is you need to be able to not draw a periodic table, be able to recognize a periodic table, okay? So they go in groups, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So groups is this way, and period is that way. Okay. Now, also in the periodic table is atomic number. Okay, which is number of proton and electron. And then mass number is number of proton plus neutron. Okay, so these definitions you would need to learn by heart. So nothing is easy, it's not hard yet. So this is basically all memory work. Now sodium is Na, has 23 and 2. So how many shells? 11 electrons. Okay, so this is your atomic number, and then 23 take away 11 would be 23, take away 11, which is 2 and 1, 12. So 12 is your neutron. Okay, so this is how you would work this out. Now, to draw your sodium would be 2 on the first shell, then 8 on the other one. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so this is how you would draw your electron shells. Now, this is in your periodic table. So how many electrons there are, that's how many you draw. Make sure they're in pairs. Okay, so they have to be in pairs. You can't put it separately because they will not, it will not work. Now, let's move on. So this is what everything you need to know about your first topic, atomic number. Okay, now, sorry about this, my camera is playing about. Now, let's move on to bonding. Okay, so 2 bondings, 3 bondings. One is ionic bonding. Okay, so definition for that is positive and a negative. Okay, so positive is in your periodic table. So positive is this side, negative is there. Okay, so when a non-metal and a metal reacts, Okay, so positive and negative, or you could write metal and non-metal. Now, if they give you an exam style question on ionic bonding, you just need to basically write these definitions. So there's always a positive charge, negative charge, opposite attract, and then it's a giant lattice. So these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 definitions you need to know about ionic bonding. This is like a 5-6 mark question, so you just need to write this down. You could look at the mark scheme, the answer will be exactly the same. Okay, now let's move on to covalent bonding. Bonding. Sorry, my battery is low, so this will be the last topic. So it's 2 non-metals. So example, that will be carbon dioxide, CO2. Okay, so the outer electrons are shared. So another name of covalent bonding is sharing a pair of electrons, sharing electrons. And then it forms a bond. Now I will stop here because my battery is low. So I will recharge it and continue this video. So I will be doing another lesson on this. Thank you so much for listening. Hopefully you will enjoy this video, and thank you so much. Bye bye.